Students, hope you all are fit and fine. Dear students, today we will discuss exercise of chapter number 1, Monkey Treble. Students, I hope that all of you have understood this chapter well and tried exercise also. Now students, let's start with the part A, understanding the story. Some statements based on the story are given below. Tick T for true statements and F for false statements. Now rewrite the false statements after making corrections. Okay, rewrite the false statements. First of all, make it correct and then students rewrite it in the correct form. Now students, let's see first one. The street entertainer who sold tutu had 3 other monkeys. No, it's incorrect. So it's false. So how can we correct it? The street entertainer who sold tutu had 2 other monkeys because उसने टूटू को तो solve कर दिया था ना. Next one students, Rocky often gave chocolates and walnuts to the narrator. No, it's again wrong. Tutu often gave chocolates and cashew nuts to the narrator. Then next one students, Rocky took Aunt Ruby to a jeweler's shop for buying an engagement ring. It's true. Write on true here. Then fourth one students, Tutu followed the narrator to the jeweler's shop without being noticed. Yes, it's correct statement. So write down true here. Then Tutu put some herbs and spices in the wedding cake. No, she put some herbs and spices in the pots, not in the wedding cake. So it's false. You can write down to put some bitter gourd seeds, red chili sauce, and eggshells, etc. Okay, and make it correct. Like this, students, try to complete part A in your book. Let's start with the part C. The sentences below give an account of the manners that Tutu created in the bazaar, but the sentences are jumbled. Now rearrange them by writing appropriate serial number in the box provided against each sentence. The opening sentence is given. So students, let's start with the first one. Tutu followed Aunt Ruby and Rocky secretly to the jeweler's shop. Then students, she took a pearl necklace and put it round her neck. After it, students, Aunt Ruby and the jeweler saw her and tried to grab the necklace. And then Tutu rushed out into the market. Rocky, the jeweler, and several people in the market followed her. After this, students, Tutu leapt on the back of a scooterist. Then students, she then landed on a donkey which panicked and rushed down the road. After the students, Tutu took the road leading to the narrator's house, and then students, she threw the necklace into a canal. Then at last, students, Rocky dived into the canal, traced the necklace and returned it to the shopkeeper. Like this, students, you can frame it as a story. Now students, how can you write down the number? In very first, students, part A, you can write down 5. Then for B, you can write down 6. Then for C, students, write down 1. Then for D, students, you can write down number 4. Then for E statement, write down number 8. Then for F statement, write down number 7. Then for statement G, you can write down number 9. After students, write down number 3 for H statement. And for I, students, write down number 10. And last one, students, number 2. 5, 6, 1, 4, 8, 7, 9, 3, 10, and last 2. Like this, students, you can write down here number in the box provided to you. Now students, let's move on to part B. Answer the following questions in not more than 30 words each. So students, let's start with the part B. But students, remember, complete part A and C in your book. Okay students? Start with the question number 1. How was grandmother convinced to keep Tutu as a pet? Students, when grandfather told her that Tutu was a little girl monkey, she got ready to keep her as a pet. जब ग्रैंडमदर को ये बताया कि टूटू जो है गर्ल मंकी है, देन स्टूडेंट्स शी गॉट रेडी टू कीप टूटू एज अ पेट बिकॉज स्टूडेंट्स ग्रैंडमदर बिलीव, क्योंकि उन्हें क्या लगता था दैट गर्ल्स वर लेस ट्रबलसम दैन बॉयज़, की गर्ल्स जो हैं वो कम प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट करने वाली होती हैं, लेस ट्रबलसम होती हैं, लेस इरिटेटिंग होती हैं दैन boys. That's why students, she decided to keep her as a pet. Now students, let's move on to the next question. Why did the narrator follow Aunt Ruby and Rocky secretly to the jeweler's shop? And what reason did Tutu have for following them? Students, the narrator wanted to go with them to buy an engagement ring. But he was refused by Aunt Ruby. But उसको जो है Aunt Ruby ने मना कर दिया कि नहीं, हमारे साथ हमें कोई भी नहीं चाहिए, हमारे साथ आपको नहीं आना है. So he followed them secretly. इसलिए नरेटर ने जो है उनको फॉलो करना स्टार्ट कर दिया secretly. Now Tutu thought that a mission of some importance was underway. But अब टूटू को क्या लगा कि कुछ ना कुछ important work है यहाँ पर, कुछ ऐसा इंसिडेंट है जिसके बारे में मुझे नहीं बताया जा रहा है. That's why students, she also followed them secretly. Now students, why did the people in the bazaar chase Tutu? Students, people in the bazaar chased Tutu because some of them had seen the incident. बेटा कितने भी वहाँ पर bystanders खड़े थे, आसपास लोग खड़े थे, उन सभी ने इस इंसिडेंट को देखा था. That's why students, they wanted to solve it, okay, and they were in trial to solve it. But the narrator's grandfather said, but grandfather जो है narrator के, वो usually एक चीज़ कहा करते हैं that in a crowd, के crowd में everyone would follow the leader. हर कोई जो है लीडर को फॉलो करना स्टार्ट कर देता है, even though they didn't know who was leading. लाइक स्टूडेंट्स, आपने एक कई बार चीज़ देखी होगी, ऐसी कुछ इंसिडेंट देखा हो कि अगर हम सपोज मार्केट में गए हैं, बहुत भीड़ है, सपोज हम आपको ये बोल दें कि यहाँ पर एक बॉम्ब है, तो अगर हम हमने सिंपली बोला है वहाँ है या नहीं है हमें नहीं पता, बट एकदम से हम बेटा भागना स्टार्ट कर देते हैं ना, और हमें देख के हमारे पीछे शायद और भी काफ़ी लोग भागना स्टार्ट कर देंगे. लाइक सेम कि एक क्राउड में हमें ये नहीं पता होता कि कौन लीड कर रहा है, बट फिर भी हम उसको फॉलो करना स्टार्ट करें. दैट्स सेम थिंग हियर, ओके. जैसे कि आपने इसमें देखा है बेटा स्टोरी में भी कि किस तरीके से जो है स्कूल गोइंग चिल्ड्रन जो है वो भी टूटू को फॉलो करना स्टार्ट कर देते हैं. उन्हें पता ही नहीं होता कि हम किसको फॉलो कर रहे हैं, बट स्टिल दे डू. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, लेट्स मूव ऑन द क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. What did Tutu do with the necklace and how was it restored to the shopkeeper? Students, Tutu threw the necklace into the canal. Tutu जो है उस नेकलेस को एक रिवर में, एक स्मॉल कैनल में फेंक देती है. And Rocky with several other people who were running after Tutu jumped into the canal. Why students? Why they jumped into the canal? To search it. उस नेकलेस को सर्च करने के लिए. And at last students, Rocky found it and gave it to the shopkeeper. Now students, why do you think some guests were not seen for several days after the marriage? Students, some of the guests were not seen for several days because of the different cake served on the wedding day. That's interesting flavor of cake, because of the interesting flavor of cake served on the wedding day. Okay, they were not seen for several days. Now students, let's come to the hot spot. Some animals have a sharp mind. They amaze us by their actions. Do you think students that they are able to think in the right direction? Why or why not? Now students, some animals have a sharp mind. They may be similar with human beings in some of their activities. Some birds and animals have a particular quality, such as जैसे कि monkey है बेटे, वो बहुत जल्दी हमें imitate कर देते हैं. Such as monkey, which is considered as a mischievous one. Dove जो है, dove is gentle, etc. But I think students that these animals are not able to think in the right direction, because students, God has gifted human beings such a unique mind. हमारे जैसे unique mind बेटा और किसी को भी God ने provide नहीं करे. That is intelligence. We are having intelligence which animals don't have. So students, from my point of view, their task cannot be considered accomplished in the right direction. Now students, life skills part. Do you like to do, if given a chance, would you like to keep her as a pet? Yes students, this question is for self attempt. You may like it or not. Give reason for your choice. Okay, now students, let's come to the values point. The narrator decided to secretly follow Aunt Ruby and her fiancé Rocky to the market. Is it justified in doing that? कि क्या वो सही कर रहा था उनको सीक्रेटली फॉलो करके? बेटा, अगर आपको किसी चीज़ के लिए मना किया जाता है कि आपको ये काम नहीं करना, बट फिर भी आप सीक्रेटली चुपचाप बिना किसी को बताए वो काम करते हो, तो क्या वो ठीक होता है? No, obviously not. So students, the narrator decided to follow Aunt Ruby and her fiancé Rocky to the market secretly, as she refuses him to accompany them. I think students, he should not do so, because Aunt Ruby wanted to spend some time with her fiancé. So she didn't want anybody around her, and moreover, one should not do that is forbidden. जो भी हमें चीज़ मना की जाती है कि आपको ये काम नहीं करना, we should not do that work. Now students, let's move on to the writing skills part. You took a pearl necklace from a jeweler's shop and created a huge mess in the market before finally throwing it into a canal. Now the jeweler felt quite tense. अब jeweler जब बहुत tense होता है क्योंकि उसकी शॉप से जो है वो चुरा लेती है एक necklace. About the whole episode. Now students, write the jeweler's diary entry describing how he felt at Tutu's mischief. Now students, imagine that you are a shopkeeper, you are the jeweler, and now students, write down your feelings. Okay, how you felt at Tutu's mischief, कि आपको Tutu's के mischief पर जो है किस तरीके से आपको feel हुआ. Write down that in the form of a diary entry. So students, first of all, what is a diary entry? Students, a diary entry actually is a personal note. Okay, it's a personal form of writing. And students, it's actually a kind of keeping records of day-to-day events or activities in one's diary. हमारी डायरी में बेटा हम डेली की एक्टिविटीज़ जो है इवेंट्स है उसको एक रिकॉर्ड रखते हैं लाइक दैट. ओके, इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ कीपिंग रिकॉर्ड्स ऑफ डे टू डे इवेंट्स और एक्टिविटीज़ इन वंस diary. And students, there are some important points which we should remember while writing diary entry, like date, day and time. Okay, write the day, date and time. Write on time on the left hand side. Okay, then students, the content जो भी हम write कर रहे हैं that should be realistic. Okay, and at last students, writer's name should be written. Okay, writer का name जो है हमें last में बेटा write करना है. And students, remember, you should write as if you have really been a part of the situation. आपको इस तरीके से राइट करने की जैसे सच में वो सब कुछ आपके साथ ही हुआ है. ओके, लाइक द स्टूडेंट्स, राइट ऑन योर एक्सपीरियंस, राइट ऑन योर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द डायरी एंट्री. Date, day and time. You can write down after it students. How can we write? Today is the most unforgettable day of my life. A couple named Ruby and Rookie came to my shop. Why? To purchase, or we can say to buy, an engagement ring. Now Ruby's nephew followed them and ultimately joined them after getting permission. A monkey also followed him. एक monkey जिसका name क्या था? Tutu. Tutu monkey also followed him, but he couldn't notice it. When I saw it, it was wearing a pearl necklace around its neck. I tried to snatch the necklace. मैंने बहुत कोशिश की कि उससे वो necklace जो है छीन लूँ, snatch कर लूँ. I tried to snatch the necklace from it, but it ran away. But वो तो भाग गई. The people on the road who had seen the incident ran to chase the monkey with me. The monkey made an emergency landing. उसके बाद क्या हुआ? Monkey ने एक emergency landing कर दी. कहाँ? On the scooter, and after then on a washerman's junkie. But soon students, Tutu realized its mistake. But बहुत जल्दी Tutu को अपनी mistake जो है realized होगी. And then students, she threw the necklace into the canal and moved fast. And I, with many other people, plunged into the canal to find out the necklace. And after a short period, Rocky found the necklace and handed it to me. And I felt relieved and thanked him. Now I am very happy. Students, I hope that all of you understood it well, how to write it. Now students, complete chapter number 1 in your English literature notebook. Okay, complete it in your English literature notebook. But your handwriting should be neated, clean. Okay students, that's all for today students. Thanks and have a nice day.